Hi again from HD Movie Source. Today we're looking at Out of the Furnace on Blu-ray. We have tested it and it's region A locked, so we'll only play on American Blu-ray players. It has English 5.1 DTS-HD audio with English and Spanish subtitles. The features include the music of Out of the Furnace, conversation with co-writer director Scott Cooper, and crafting the fight scenes. The movie has a great cast including Christian Bale, Forrest Whitaker, Woody Harrelson and Willem Dafoe. That's it for now. See you on the next video.